Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stop live videos, like the audio of live videos on TikTok from playing when you've gone to another app. Because it does that. So click on the live button on the top left corner of your screen and press the share button over here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can press the share button on the bottom right corner, and then you are just going to go to background player. So select background player, and you can either put it picture in picture, keep live videos playing in a floating window when you exit the app, audio, keep playing audio from live videos when you exit the app, or none. You're just going to press none. And now when you've closed the app, the audio won't play again from the TikTok Live. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!